River Crew back once again with another video, and I'm in the print shop today to introduce to you guys the pre-order for the Bizzy and RuffKut 12 is now here. Because so many people have been waiting so long for their pre-orders, I decided to start shipping using this. So here's the bonus deal. Here's the bonus deal. All of the people that made pre-order so far will get this copy, which is exclusive. There's only about 70 of these in existence. So this is unique to say thank you to all the people that have done pre-orders via the sampleoidz website way in advance and have to wait so long. Your copy is absolutely unique. There's only 70 of these in the world. The main press is now here, and as you can see, it's got a different label, camo press, and ready to go. So this vinyl is ready to ship. Special thanks to everybody who placed their pre-orders in advance. This is a limited edition copy just for you only, which is your press, your version. All who ordered pre-orders get this version, and the main press is the new version. Obviously the music's exactly the same, the quality is exactly the same, no different. So guys, that's my way of saying big up, thank you. I've arranged this for you with Perry over at Diamond Black, and they've all been shipped now. You guys should be already getting those now. And we are now taking orders for the main press of Bizzy and RuffKut tracks, Ease Up Selecta and Listen Up. Boom. Too long, man. Right, you got to start to look like gay man now. Stop it. What's going on, man?
Oh, good. Jesus Christ.
This is my man RuffKut, man, from way back in the day, man. Original hard stepper, A1 crew in the building.
Why president? The original A-Man scouter.
Yeah, man.
Oh, mate.
Anthony here, Panatonia. Listen up.